Hi guys, welcome back to Drawingland for Kids, and today we're going to be drawing a cupcake, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is draw a curved line. Now we're going to draw the sides of our cupcake. We're going to draw two lines. It's a little bit diagonal from each side. And a curved line for the bottom. When you're ready, we're going to draw the top part of our cupcake by drawing two curved lines, right here and here. When you're ready, let's draw another curved line right at the top. Let's draw a little curved line on the sides, and followed by another curved line. When you're ready, we're going to draw a curved line here and a curved line here for the top part of the frosting, and just go ahead and draw these curved lines. I like to draw a whipped cream at the top, but you guys can add a cherry or whatever else you'd like. Let's go ahead and draw a few curved lines at the top, and let's make this like a triangular shape using more curved lines. When you guys are ready, let's go ahead and decorate our cupcake. I like to draw some sprinkles by drawing little circles in my cupcake, so let's go ahead and do that. You're just going to go in and draw as many as you can. Anywhere you'd like. I'm going to add a few more over here. When you're ready, let's go ahead and draw a face for our cupcake. I'm going to draw two circles right here and right here. I'm also going to draw a mouth by drawing a straight line, and let's add a little curve. Now we're going to draw a curved line for the tongue, and I'm going to go in and fill this in with my Sharpie to fill in the mouth. And let's go ahead and draw a little eyebrow and some lashes if you want. Just going to add two. Now for the eyes, we need a little highlight for the eyes. So we're going to draw a little circle and another circle down below. And same thing on the other eye. Draw a circle and like a smaller one in the corner, bottom corner. And then we're just going to fill everything else in. Neat. Now that we're done with the eyes, let's see. I think I'm going to go in and add maybe a cherry sticking out from the top. So draw a curved line, followed by another short curved line, and the stem coming out. Now if you want, we can go ahead and decorate our cupcake wrapper. I like to just draw straight diagonal lines coming down, so I'm going to do that. And I think I'm just going to leave it like that. Let's add some curved lines right over here for some extra detail. And there you have it, how to draw a cute cupcake, and I'll be back with a colored version, guys. Okay guys, here's the colored in version. I hope you guys enjoyed drawing with me. I enjoyed teaching you how to draw this cupcake. I did use my iPad to color it in digitally, but you can always use anything you have at home. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.